Hi all and welcome. I'm Ora Koren and today we're gonna make a great liver pate without dairy products. Are you ready for this? Let's do it! Cut the onions into large cubes, then remove the inner part of the livers. Warm olive oil, add the onion cubes and fry till they're softened. Add gradually the livers and fry them till their inside turns into light pink. Add half of the brandy and allow the alcohol to evaporate by itself. If you have no experience, please don't flambe it as I did. The strong flame might burn your kitchen. Season and let it cool a bit. Put the livers in a food processor and let it work till you got a paste. Add the vegan buttery spread and the rest of the brandy and turn the paste into a silky pate. Taste and fix the flavors. Remove the pate to a serving dish, cover with plastic wrap and put in the fridge overnight. While served, you can add jam and toast. Enjoy!